Dear sisters and brothers, I am Agatya Dr. S. Murugesan. First of all, I thank the viewers of Agatya episode and supporters. This episode, I focus sharing on the new dimension of Indian agriculture and agribusiness. Dear friends, irrespective of population and size, every one of us need food for every day, whether it is fresh or processed. As you all know that the COVID-19 lessons from 219 countries realize the importance of food security, and also it has made us to focus on the high nutrition value and high immune boosting crop for agriculture. Also, timely availability, timely harvesting. The global populations 60 to 70% lies in Asia. Among them, India and China stand in number 1 and 2. Therefore, it is very important the farmer self-consumption and marketable surplus to be assessed, and based on that, the food security can be planned. In this backdrop, I suggest few areas to the Indian government as well as the respective state governments. The number one, the government must undertake a resource planning in 5 categories. One is the zero resource villages, then poor resource village, the medium resource village, good and excellent resource village. This will help to the allocation of resources and also make the project implementation strategy and effective management of the resources, and also different strategy for reviving these villages. That is the one area which I would insist here. The second important thing is the scientific organic farming methods with right package of practice involving the public-private partnership to increase the yield and reduce the inputs in agriculture for quality agri-produce. The third one, food budgeting. Then fourth one is water budgeting. The fifth one is declaration of cropping pattern with appropriate culture. For example, we need to develop the rainfed and the irrigated sources. Most of the seasons we should make a clear-cut food crop, medicinal plants crop, manure crop, green manure plantation, and oil seeds plantation crop. Like that, we have to make a proper declaration by the government. And then the other one is to assess the pre and post harvesting loss across India by mishandling and also during transit, which accounts almost 20 to 25%, which has to be assessed and find out the way how we have to minimize all this. Then the seventh one is preparing 6-mile approach development plan for agriculture development involving the local community and the farmers and the local stakeholders. The eighth one is mapping up success triangles such as the knowledge audited of skills and of the farmers, the government official, elected representatives, even including the Prime Minister and CMs. The other important areas of the triangle, the resource, institution and people, that also to be mapped to give quality services and in a continued manner to the citizen of the India. Then mapping of subsistence agriculture versus commercial agriculture. Then study on the impact of green revolution, the damages happened in the last 75 years in ecology, then water pollution, then food quality, whatever other related effect on the human which need to be studied about the green revolution projects. With this, we must develop, or the government has to think of how to intervene. The key areas right now to revive our Indian agriculture are: the one is the agri input chains established at the grassroots level, the common service centers at least block level or at least the panchayat level to avoid the wastage, mainly the storage and cold storage. These are some of the area where you can avoid the wastage of our agriculture products, which can be stored. Some of the product only can be stored seasonally, then it can be used for continuously whenever it is required. Then accordingly, the common service center is very, very important. Then customer serving center to avoid or to overcome the labor shortage, that is the common service center with scientific equipments and machineries for better practices of the agriculture and also improve our operations scientifically. Then localized cluster-based food processing unit which can be manufactured and locally it can be supplied. Then the market linkage of single vendor system as well as the development of single vendor system. We must bring all together in one umbrella at the grassroots level. One head has to be guided with all the subject matter specialists. That will help a better implementation, better resource mobilization and effective planning, everything it will help. So that is why, and also it can reduce the cost of the administrative expenditure of the government. Another thing is the importance of the food security for 130 crore people of India is one of the key area of the Indian agriculture and agribusiness, and in which the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister, also this elected representatives should think on that, for which the priority to be given for quality food products, then poisonless, toxin-free products. These are the areas they have to think and help with the development plan of the agriculture. Moreover, the idea of decentralization should be focused. It is not just pumping 500 crore in one place and giving 10% job, not like that. The 500 crores to be split into smaller unit of the agriculture unit at the grassroots level based on the it may be a constitutional approach. It must be a constitutional approach, and according to the resource available. On that, we should make more number of units, and the government must help startup activities. Since 60% of youth population are there, we must help. Accordingly, these kind of projects can be developed. With that, the Indian agriculture can be revived, and also we can also produce our own requirement, as well as we can be surplus in the global market. And the India can capture 80% of the supply of food item, and it can be number one. Thereby we can improve our economy, unemployment problem we can address, and this is the only way we can develop the sustainable agriculture development goal, and also we can achieve it, and we can be the number one in the world. Therefore, my honest request to the Prime Minister of India and the CMs of all the states, please kindly develop a very new dimensions agriculture project and help the India to become self-sufficient and also to safeguard our food security. Okay. With this, I will stop my sharing. I request all the friends to forward this to all 130 crore Indians. Thereby, we must understand what is the importance of the agriculture and its role to revive our economy and address the unemployment. And with that, I thank all the person who was till the end. Please kindly forward it and subscribe it. And you call me for any clarification, that is 924781692. Thank you very much.